Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to extract some elements from an array. So before we start, hit that subscribe button now. Okay, thank you very much for doing that and supporting this channel. Okay, so let's create a subroutine and we're going to call it array extraction. Okay, right, so we're going to print a message to the user, which is going to be extracting elements from array. Okay, new line character there. Okay, so now we're going to create my array. And we're going to populate it with some names. The usual suspects, by the way: Dave, Bill, let's say Joe. Should we have another one? Steve? Okay, Steve will keep Joe company. Right, I think that's enough. Okay. So my scalar extracted, we're going to create extracted here. So not scalar, sorry, this is an array, so that's going to be equal to the array. And now we're going to put in some parameters. So I want to extract 0 from here in the array, which is Dave. Who else do I want to extract? 0, 1, 2. I'll extract Joe. And then one more. -1, which is going to be Steve here. So I'm going to extract 3 names from the array. Okay, now we're going to hit print. And we're going to say extracted elements are, and we're going to use extracted there, and a new line character. Right, all we have to do now is to call the function array extraction. Okay, so we're just going to save that and let's run the program, shall we? Okay, so extracting elements from the array. Extracted elements are Dave, Joe and Steve. So let's just check this up. So Dave is position 0, Joe is position 2, so that's 0, 1, 2, yeah. And Steve is position -1 here. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-de-bye.